Why I prefer to use a wooden peel over a metal peel. Watch this video and I'm going to go over a couple of things of why I prefer to use a wooden peel over a metal peel. Let's go. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. It's the Pizza Guy John, and I get asked a lot of time why I prefer to use a wooden peel over a metal peel. And in today's video, I'm going to go and explain to you guys why I prefer to use a wooden peel over this metal peel. They're both are different in its own way. Of course, this is wood and this is metal. I'm gonna go over the wooden peel, just a couple of things of why I like using this wooden peel. Then we're gonna make some pizzas, toss them in the oven, and I'll kind of explain some more things to it. With the wooden peel, I like to make a lot of pizzas for a lot of people or for myself. And what I found when I'm using a metal peel, if I'm putting a lot of pizzas in and out of the oven, this peel does get hot. So if you're putting a cold dough or just a dough on this peel, it tends to stick a little bit more. So if I'm making pizzas and I'm making a lot of pizzas, I like to use a wooden peel because the wood doesn't heat up and it doesn't retain a lot of heat. My chances of dough sticking are really none. So that's why I like to use this wooden peel. Also, the other couple things is when I'm making a pizza, when I'm stretching my dough, I'm letting the semolina fall on this wooden peel and I'm building my pizza on a wooden peel. Helps me make pizzas faster. That way I'm able to get pizzas in and out. If I'm using a metal peel, then of course I can't build the pizza on here because now at this point, it's a ticking time bomb. Dough on this type of peel, chances are you're gonna get stuck. So that's why I like to use a wooden peel for that. Now there is some advantages of using a metal peel. And again, if you're team wooden peel or team metal peel, comment down below and let me know what you like to use. Again, this is just my personal opinion of what I like to use when I'm making pizzas. This peel is nice. It is lightweight. Of course, you can find some real cheap ones or you can find some expensive ones. This is a GI metal one, so it's a little bit more pricier, but it's really good quality. It has these holes. Once you pick up a pizza, semolina does come off, which is nice, or your flour. Fortunately, with the wooden peel, if you have semolina or flour here, you are going to get a little bit more of a semolina or flour in your oven. But again, if you don't use a lot, then that's fine. Again, I don't use a lot, but I never actually get anything stuck. So again, it's up to you as well. Now, the other thing too about a wooden peel versus a metal peel is with the wooden peel, the dough does come off pretty easily because again, you're working with more of a smooth surface. With this metal one, you do have to really work it. And again, you're having to use a little bit more semolina or flour to get your pizza off. It does take a lot of skill to do it in one shot, just like some pizzaiolos do. But again, if you're not as experienced, wood peel for sure. You just have to shimmy it off a little bit and you're gonna get it off pretty easy. So what I'm gonna do now at this point, I think I've talked a lot too much about what I like. And again, you know what I like, wooden peel. Comment down below, are you team wood peel or you team metal? I'm gonna be making a pizza and I'm gonna show you guys the differences. I'm not gonna be talking too much during the time that I'm making pizza, but I will come back and forth with the difference, and we're gonna start off with the wood peel, and I'm gonna show you guys how I use it and the reason why I like to use it. So let's get into it. All right, so we're just be making some cheese pizzas. I got my dough here. I'll link my recipe above. It's just some 24-hour dough that I did here, so nothing too crazy. And like I said, we're going to be going off with our wooden peel first, so I'm just going to get a stretch. All right, so with my wooden peel, there's not semolina or any flour on there, and so when I'm stretching, basically what I'm doing is I'm stretching over it, and any excess semolina that I did have on my dough is now falling onto my peel. And because I like to build my pizza on my peel, and of course that is going to be nice for me. If you had a metal peel, then unfortunately you couldn't do that. Let's get a little stretch here. All right. And so that's again the advantage of using a wooden peel, is again being able to build. Now you still want to also be very quick with making your pizza on your pill, on your wooden pill. But of course, if you have enough semolina, then it's not going to stick as much. So we're good there. All right, and we're just doing a little bit of cheese. Not putting too much, fortunately. All right. And see, now at this point, if I had all my toppings on my pizza, then I could go right in the oven. If I have my metal pill, then of course I'm then having to scoop it on there or put it on here. But at this point, I can go into my oven. And with the wooden pill, again, it's just pretty easy. We're just going in, shimming it in. And it comes off pretty easily. So again, this is the wooden pill. All right, now that you saw me use my wood pill, let's go ahead and get my metal one out and place it here. Same thing, cheese pizza. Let's get this one. All right, now unfortunately at this point what we're going to be doing is we're going to be stretching our pizza just onto our surface. You can see all the semolina that's falling there. So then we do move a little bit of the semolina off. All right. And same thing, we're just building our pizza. Now that your pizza is on your surface, you do want to be moving pretty quick because now this is where it can't stick. And the reason why, again, I like to use a wooden pill is because, again, my chances of dough sticking, it's really not that much. So I'm just gonna go down with our cheese. Now here's our pill, and so you could go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of your semolina, and then we're grabbing it, and then we're pulling this up, and then you're finishing your stretch here. All right. And see, as you can tell, it's taking a little bit longer to get it there, but we're gonna go now to our oven. And this is where it takes a little bit more skill. But again, you're putting it on there, you're pulling it. And again, this is the metal pill. Now, one advantage of using a metal pill, if you don't have a turning pill, is that you can go ahead and use your metal pill as your turning pill. So you would just put it in your oven. And we're just doing that. And back in there, and there you go. And there you have it. I made 2 pizzas using a wooden pill and a metal pill. If you made it this far, comment down below what team you're on. Are you team wooden pill or team metal pill? Again, both serve its own purpose. I, again, personally like using a wooden pill. Just easier, it's quicker. I could make my pizza on there and go into the oven with less time than using my metal pill. Of course, this does have its advantage. As you can see, they are both different in their own way. It's, again, your personal preference of what you want to use and how you want to use it. Again, I'm going to be sticking with a wooden pill. So if this is something you guys like this video, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Check out my Instagram at the Pizza Guy John, and we'll talk to you there.